Anna walks in the forest at night. It is cold. She has a small flashlight and a backpack. The wind blows and the leaves make noise under her feet. The sky is dark. There is no moon. Suddenly, Anna sees a light on the hill. It is yellow and soft. It blinks like a candle. Anna is curious. She decides to go up the hill. At the top, Anna sees a small, old house. The windows are broken. The door moves with the wind. Anna feels a little scared, but she wants to see who lives there. She knocks on the door and says, "Hello? Is anyone here?" No answer. Only the sound of the wind. Anna pushes the door and goes inside. There is a table, a chair, and a candle on a book. Everything is quiet, but the air is very cold. Anna looks at the book. On the first page, it says, "Welcome, Anna." She is very scared. How does the book know my name? She thinks. Suddenly, the candle goes out. Everything becomes dark. Anna turns on her flashlight quickly. The table and the chair are gone. Now she sees a door at the back of the room. It was not there before. She hears a soft voice. "Thank you for coming." "Who are you?" Anna asks, afraid. The door opens by itself. Inside, there is a big mirror. Anna goes closer and sees a girl like her, but with very sad eyes. The girl in the mirror smiles and says, "Now you take care of the house." Anna wants to run, but she cannot move. The flashlight falls to the floor. The light goes out. The next day, a traveler passes by the hill. He sees a light in the window and a girl looking out. It is Anna, but now she cannot leave. Thank you for listening. Practice the new words and grammar. Present, Anna walks. Past simple, Anna saw a light. See you next time for another story. Maybe it will be a little scary, but fun.